Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today the word I'm looking for, the thought behind this was to do intentionally. In the beginning, I wanted to do like if I was going to prom, this is what I would do, but then somehow it just switched to a cut crease, and I don't feel like a cut crease for me would have been a prom thing. So here we just doing a nice soft cut crease. I'm gonna call this my natural. This is one of my natural go-to cut crease. I just will probably use different colors if so. So honestly, that's what we're gonna call this. This is one of my natural go-to cut creases. The lip, it's not my favorite, but my daughter picked it out, so we're gonna rock it. I probably would have been a little bit more red for me, but this lip is picked out by Jackson. So this is just how the look come together. I put a little bit of the e.l.f. Let me see what it's called. So I went in with the e.l.f. Flirty Birdie, and I put that in the waterline for my eyelid, and it kind of made the lip pop. I do like it. I will put this disclaimer out. I used the wrong foundation. So guys, in this video, I did use the wrong foundation, and I tried to correct it the best I could. So if you're seeing some discoloration or offness, you're seeing correctly. It was a color, it was a foundation I haven't used in a while. And recently I have been to DR, and then I went to the beach. And so I definitely have a tan. I am peeling all up in here. So my color is off. And so I wasn't sure if this was still my color. So it's just a lot, but we're going to just move forward and just watch and trust the process, because it still looks good. It's still a good look. I am going to go pick up my son like this. So like, it's still going to work itself out. Yeah. These little earrings, I don't know why I picked these. It's just look, it's just like, ooh, we're here. We made it. Okay. So without further ado, y'all, let's just go ahead and get into the video. hair is doing something crazy, so we're not gonna. I really don't like. I don't know. I thought that was gonna work. I tell you, I always have a good eye and a bad one. I'm tempted to go back over there with the concealer. Okay, y'all, this is crazy, but I'm gonna fix it. right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.